Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, we will do the unboxing of the Redmi Buds 6 Play. So this one is like cheap buds or cheap AirPods from the company Xiaomi. The price I bought it from Tunisia was about $15, something like that. And I think that outside of Tunisia is way cheaper. So let's do the unboxing and discover what is like inside this box. So first of all, like the box looks like a little bit, I don't know, light. It's not heavy. So directly you find the buds, or let's call them the AirPods, or I don't know what do you want to call them. And what we have also inside this box, we have also, what is this? I think it's okay. You have like more of this like little things that you can use them in this like these buds, these ones, so you can replace the original one, these plastic things that enter like inside your ear. They give you like multiple dimensions, you can use them. And also what we have inside this box, I think that we have a charger or something like that on the bottom of the box. Okay, no, it's empty, so you don't have anything in the box. You have just the AirPods and that's it, and the book with them. You don't have even like charging cable or anything. So let's see the Redmi Buds 6 Play. Okay, so this is it. Okay, when you touch it, you can feel it's like a little bit premium. And let's see the buds themselves. They look good. They are made from plastic. It looks like cheap plastic, but they are good, not bad. Okay, you can put them back like that and put them back to the box. And of course, I think this is, you can charge them like from here, from that place. And I think this one is to pair or to turn them on. And when you open it, like as you can see, you have this like little light. I think that they need to be charged, and that's it. This is what you can get inside the box of the Redmi Buds 6 Play. And in like more videos, I will show you how to pair them with your phone and how you can use them. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.